Hi, this is Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we are here to taste a mango. Now, I do not know the name of this mango, and it's not because we didn't keep track of it. I will show you the name of this mango. There it is. It looks like Tuehav.
H-A-U.
H-A-U, perhaps.
T-U-E-H or L.
How?
I don't know.
We don't know. So we got this one at Mango Men of Homestead. It was clearly labeled with these letters. We tried cross-referencing it. When you buy them there, they give you this nice little cross-reference chart from the abbreviations that they put on them, so you can look up exactly what mango it is you're eating. Well, this one's not on the list as far as we can tell. So anyway, we're going to call this one Tuehau.
And Valerie thought it was True Love.
True Love. It looks a little bit, but so that's what it is. And we're going to eat it. And we're going to tell you what it tastes like, despite whatever the name may be.
Oh, that feels underripe. It's juicy though.
Might be a
Very
little
juicy.
underripe.
No, squirted.
But
It looks ripe inside.
ooh, that smells very coconutty.
Oh,
We like a coconutty one.
I can smell that all day long. Courtney's coming over. She loves a coconutty mango. Got nice big cheeks. We were just
Nice big,
tasting
yeah.
the wangos that are very
We just ate
small.
some little tiny mangoes, and now we're ready for a big manly mango.
Oh my god, that smells so good. So maybe the name is True Love because
Could be.
that's what I would name a mango.
All
It
right,
smelled
let's
like
see.
this.
Oh, that's good.
That is
That is
so
crazy good. I mean, the closest thing I can say to that would be like a coconut cream, but
It's got a little more
it's
complexity.
got some citrusy to it, but just a little bit. That's very good. That's a good mango.
Yeah. Ooh, I just got a hint of resin at the end
Wow.
too. It's very nice.
Fortunately, Celeste and I get to eat this whole mango,
All by ourselves.
and there's no children sitting nearby waiting to grab themselves a piece. But that's as
I tried this thing because you didn't try that
All
out
right.
before. All right, Valerie, you can grab some. Courtney.
that's as coconutty of a mango as I've ever had, I think.
It's the first coconut mango.
It's
we've had
early
this
in the
season.
early in the year. Every early in the year one is better than. But that's very good.
Has like just a little bit of fiber, which is nice.
I'm not getting much fiber there, but I like that. Very coconutty. Trying to think of anything else other than coconut that I'm getting from it.
There's a little bit of citrus.
It's definitely strong on the coconutty
What do you
scale.
think?
More good. Coconut, citrus. Hint of kind of more of an orangey.
Again, this is one of our first mangoes of the year, so
It's true.
the
Take it
standard
with
changes a little bit. We'll be fair and say that, but this is very good, very coconutty. You can tell by the very small amount that I'm actually getting to eat that it's going. You can always tell that. We don't have to put like a rating scale. You can see how much does she leave behind because she doesn't want to eat it and makes me eat it. How much does she grab and leave me high and dry? That's the real scale. But
you. Oh, so good.
you want another piece?
You can. We'll share.
No, you can't put it on. Texturally to this one, it's a little bit
Watery.
watery, and I can't even say flavor is watery because there's a lot of flavor there, but it just does feel a little bit watery. I like a mango that's a little bit denser,
yeah.
with a little more bite to it. So it's a little bit on that side, but that really changes from mango to mango within the same, even off the same tree. Pick them on different days, they're going to have a little bit different amounts of wateriness to them, but I can't complain about that at all, though. This is a really good mango.
Just try to peel, like with your hand so you get that very edge. There you go. Because that part's usually really good.
Got a piece right there. You're waiting on a cheek. Guess that's not a cheek. I guess that's a. Okay.
See, there's more resin right near the skin. Excellent.
Oh my god. I need to hose off. It's dripping everywhere. I'm often that way at an end of a mango tasting video. I'm just like, I don't like being sticky, but for mangoes, it's worth it. That's about the only thing that I really will tolerate being sticky for. So anyway, that was whatever the name of this one is.
We'll try to find out.
Wow. Who actually found one?
Or it might be True Love. We don't know.
That's good. Now I'm sticky again. So poor.
I would buy like 10 of those.
Yeah, that was, well, I think we may actually have another one.
Okay, good.
I think we already got 2 of those. Anyway, excellent mango. Would
Big
plant,
mango.
would buy again.
Yes.
Top tier. If you can find it, go get you some.
Yep.
All right. Well, we're in agreement. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Help me sing my mango song. Mango.